Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a portobello mushroom ragu pasta. Please watch and enjoy. So the first item to prepare is some fresh rosemary, about 2 teaspoons, and I'm cutting it into small pieces. After that you'll want to grab your mushrooms and peel them, just as you can see me doing in the video. You can skip this step, but I believe it makes the dish better without the mushroom skin. And just continue doing so until you have finished peeling all of your mushrooms. Now once you have finished peeling your mushrooms, you just slice them into thin strips, then cutting any in half that are a little bit too big, although they do shrink while cooking, so don't cut them too small. While you're doing this, you might think that, whoa, this is heaps too many mushrooms, but this is the perfect amount for 2 servings. So after the mushrooms are cut, you'll want to get 2 shallots, and you'll just want to dice them like I'm doing, although you can slice them thinly as well and it will work out just as good. Now I'm going to go over with you all the ingredients and how much you'll need. Firstly, you'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, half a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 medium-sized shallots, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, and finally 350 grams of portobello mushrooms. I'll also be using 250 grams of Pappardelle pasta. So now you'll want to have your pasta on cooking in boiling hot salted water, and also a frying pan on with a dash of oil in it. Then dump in all of your mushrooms and add in a touch of salt. Leave them to release their liquid for a couple of minutes, giving a stir every once in a while. Now that your mushrooms are partially cooked through, add in your shallots and give them a little mix. And then add in all of your garlic, let it fry up for a little bit, and then give that a mix through as well. At this stage you can add in half of your butter and you'll find that the mushrooms and onions will soak up all the flavour of the butter. Now that everything is nearly finished cooking and most of the liquids have evaporated, you'll want to add in your rosemary, mix it through, then you'll want to grab in your tomato paste and thoroughly mix it through all of the mushrooms until they're completely coated. Now that your mushrooms are completely coated in the tomato paste, you'll want to add in all of your chili flakes, give that a mix through, put in your balsamic vinegar, mix that through as well. Then grab the rest of your butter and stir that through until the butter has completely melted. Then go and grab your cooked pasta and place it directly into the frying pan. Add a touch of the pasta water just to get the desired thickness of the sauce. Give it all a mix to bring everything together and you are done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try and make this meal yourself, as you'll find it absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed, hit that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.